What's going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to another video from Bullstothewalltrading. I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday. I know I am. This is going to be my recap video for Friday, October 27th, 2017. Before I get into the recap, as always, I am not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing. And no company is sponsoring me to do any of these videos. It's just solely me putting out content to help people out. And that's the idea behind this channel. Bullstothewalltrading was created in an attempt to help new traders out and just give advice and guide new traders to see that this isn't that hard. Anybody can do it. If you study hard, if you dive right into it and want to learn it, you can learn it and you will learn it. It's really not that hard. So with that being said, if you like these videos, if you enjoy my watch list videos, my recap videos, and everything else that I've put out, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and that like button. It means a lot to me. And let's go ahead and get into these stocks and the recap. So for those of you that have been watching my videos, and for those new viewers, I only for the recaps I only review these stocks that have at least $1 million in volume. So we're going to start with AGEN. Looks like we drew our line last night at around 387 or 385, somewhere around there, and then we drew another line at the whole dollar amount of $4. But as you can tell, the stock didn't go up like we wanted it to do. It's nowhere near our target mark, so we didn't miss much there. Next one is GFI. Our target was $4.14. Never made it quite up. It didn't even break $4. So same thing there. We didn't miss much there. NEOT. This one we drew our line at $1.50. That's where I felt comfortable getting in. It never reached 150. Actually, it never went past 140 right there. So again, didn't miss much there. So on that watch list, we didn't have anything good. On my other watch list, we're going to start with ONCS. This one, it reached a high of 128 yesterday, never came back up to the 120s. So didn't miss much there. NAK, this one, this one could be in play right now. So we drew our line at $2 and it's currently at 197. So this one could be in play right now. So I'll come back to this one before I wrap up the video to see what happened. SRAX, this one took a dive in the pre-market and never came back up to 475. FMSA, this is another one that could be in play right now. We have our line at $4. This is looks like this. Okay, so we drew our line yesterday at 374 and it broke through that today. I didn't keep this one on watch because it had low volume in the morning, but it looks like right now it might come up and test that $4 resistance line that we also drew. So this one's another one that could be in play right now, and I'll come back to that one before I end the video. And E is the next one on the line, on the list, I'm sorry. We drew our resistance line at 403. It never got close to that, so nothing there. CMLS, drew our line at 72 cents. Never came close to that. Nothing there. WLL, this one is one that I wasn't really watching. I had two others that I really liked. But as you can see right here, we drew our line at $5.58. And as soon as it broke that, it had a nice run to $5.83, and it might break that relatively soon. So this one was one that I had called out yesterday. If you were watching this one, you probably would have gotten in and had a nice little run. I, however, was not paying too much attention to this one. I saw two other ones that I really liked, and I really liked the chart, and I focused solely on those. So those were TEUM. I really like this one for a break above 125. Obviously, it didn't do that. And the other one that I liked, and these two were from my morning scanner. These two weren't from today. I'm sorry, from my watch list last night. These were from this morning, and I run my morning scanner. So the next one is BONT. This one had a nice little spike in the morning in the pre-market. Let me delete this here. So let me zoom in so you guys can see what I was seeing. So this one had a nice little spike in the pre-market, and to right around, I think this one went up to like 95 cents or 98 cents, somewhere around there, and I decided I wanted to get in if it broke above the whole dollar amount of $1. So when the market opened up, right here, when the market opened up, it kind of took a dip, and then it slowly started coming back up, and this is where I got in at around 98, 99 cents. It had really sharp movement, so I didn't even wait for it to hit $1. I bought in a little bit before, and I rode this wave. So I made a quick little profit right here, got in and out within literally seconds. It was probably less than a minute. I got in and I got out. So quick little profit there. It worked out perfectly. It broke the line that we had drawn, and it's just beautiful. Will it always break that line? No. This stock could have easily come up to $1 and come back down. What we're doing is we're buying with the expectation that it's going to break that dollar with good volume and with momentum, but it's not guaranteed that it's always going to break that line. Let me check on the two that I was watching here. So NAK is still at $1.97, and I think it was FMSA. This one's at $3.90 still, so it's not really moving that much. But as you can tell, BONT was the one that had a pretty good day, and within seconds or minutes, I made a pretty good profit. So you might be saying, well, how are you calling these stocks? How do you know these stocks? Or I want to know what stocks you're going to be watching. I suggest that you guys add me to Twitter and Instagram. I am calling out the stocks that I am looking at. I am calling out what I'm seeing on the market, and I think it would be a great opportunity for you guys to get inside my head and start thinking how I'm thinking. I started using this Twitter and Instagram on Tuesday, and today's Friday, so 4 days. Out of those 4 days, I've been correct 3 days on picking winning stocks. So 3 out of 4. I'll take that. That's great. And you can see it right here what I did today. 9 a.m. update looking at ONCS, BONT, KTOV, TEUM. I was looking at PLMP, but the chart is odd. So obviously the market opened, and after that I set out right here. Out of the stocks I called out, BONT was the winner. So if you want to know the stocks that I'm looking at, do yourself a favor and add me or follow me on Twitter, which is @Bullstothewall, @Bullstothewall. And I'm going to be putting out these updates every morning. I'm going to give you the stocks that I'm looking at, and I'm going to give you the result, just to show you that even sometimes things don't go my way. I have one here on the 24th. Oh, where'd it go? Right here. So I put as of 9 a.m. I'm looking at Archon, and then I said, I never broke the 266 resistance line, so I didn't trade. So I'm not just putting on here things that go right. I'm putting in everything. So please follow me if you want to know what I'm trading. Again, at Bullstothewall on Twitter, and on Instagram, it's at Bullstothewalltrading. So Instagram at Bullstothewalltrading, and I just post pictures of the movement up, of what I did, and same thing. So here I put let me show you. Yeah, I currently have my eyes on BONT, TEUM, KTOV, ONCS. Let's see how they play out. And then a little while later, I put market opens at 9:30, and by 9:40 I'm done for the day with BONT. So if you want to know how I'm trading, if you want to know what I'm looking at, if you just kind of want to get an idea of how I look at stocks, go ahead and add me on these social media accounts, and just get a feel as to how I'm doing these stocks and playing them out and getting in and getting out. Let me check on these stocks again. NAK, it looks like it's still at 197. Yeah, looks like it's still there. I don't know why this is taking a while for it to come up, but it's still at 197. You can see it right here, and I think FM, oh, there it goes. Still at 197. It hit a wall at 197. It's just flattening out at 197. And FMSA, it looks like it went down a little bit to 389. So that's going to be all for today, guys. This again is my recap video for Friday, October 27, 2017. I hope you guys are learning from these videos. I hope I'm doing a pretty good job. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Leave me a comment and I will make a video, or I will reply to your comment with the answer if I can help out. Again, please like and subscribe. Please add me on the social media accounts, and be on the lookout for my watch list video for Monday. I'm probably gonna put that up Sunday night, and that about does it. I want to wish everybody a happy weekend, everybody to have a good weekend, and thank you to everybody that's been adding me and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Thanks everybody. See you guys on Sunday.